Right guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we can create our own project, okay? So by the end of this video, we are going to be having our project in Unity created and ready to go. Now, we have installed Unity Hub in the previous video, and also we have installed Unity. Pretty sure Unity Hub should be somewhere on your desktop or wherever it is. I have it docked over here. So just open up your Unity Hub. And your Unity Hub would look different to mine if you are opening Unity Hub for the very first time. As you can see, I have some of the demo games and some other games that I'm working on. So they would be usually slotted here. Okay, so they'd be usually appearing here. Now what we want to focus on is we are going to be working on creating a project. Okay, so we're going to click on this new project button. No matter which version of Unity Hub you're working with, you may be watching this video often after a year of publishing or like making this. So no matter which version you're using, there's a very good possibility you are going to be finding the button over the top right. Okay, so click on the new project button. Okay, and this would allow you to choose the version. Okay, so let's have a look at the top first. So here you are going to be choosing the Unity version. Now I have a lot of versions installed actually, but you may just have one or multiple, doesn't matter. I tend to use any LTS versions. Okay, LTS stands for long term support. Okay, a long-standing support, I guess. So I tend to use LTSs, but it doesn't matter for this project, like which version you can go with. Okay, so I'm using 2020.3.15 F2, but again, it's not going to be an issue no matter which version you're using. And we are going to be making a 2D. Okay, again, given when you're watching this screen may be different. Okay, but you would find a 2D option somewhere, okay, in the list. There may be 2D mobile options available as well, like this one, but we are just looking at 2D games, okay, as this is the game, as we are making the geometry invader, kind of like space invader game. Okay, so we're going to be selecting 2D, okay, and then one of the main reasons I just made one video for this is because I want you guys to select where and focus on where you're going to be creating your project. Okay, so here down the bottom here, as you can see, if you scroll down, you get to name your project. Okay, and also you got to choose where to save it. I don't want to save my game here. I actually want to save it on my desktop. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on this file here, this file symbol, and then choose my desktop. Now you guys choose wherever you want to create your project, but please make sure you guys know where it is. Okay, and that's one of the main reasons I've just made one video where we create a project. So just select the folder where you want to create your project and just press select folder, and then we can name the project. I'm going to name my game geometry Invaders. Okay, but you don't have to. Obviously, you can name your game whatever you want, and also you can change the name of the game later. All right, so once you're done with the geometry invaders, and also you have chosen where you're going to be creating and working from, okay, on your desktop, on your computer, you're good to press the create project button. Okay, once you do that, it would open up, basically create you your Unity your Unity like environment for the game. Okay, as you can see, it has already created this file, okay, or rather the folder, and there I would have all my Unity assets, scripts, and everything. All right, so this typically takes about a minute for me, depending on what sort of project I'm doing. It should be kind of like the same for you guys as well. So in the next video, we are going to be getting started with Unity itself. All right, see you guys in the next video.